Introducing the Pasternack Cable Creator, the easiest way to create a custom cable assembly in just a few clicks. We'll start by setting up connector 1. Use the filters to choose connector type, gender, component body, polarity, impedance, mounting method, and attachment method. Next, pick your cable. The designer automatically updates the specs and shows only parts that work with your setup, saving time and reducing errors. Click See All Matches to review all compatible options and select the part that fits your build. Now let's configure connector 2 using the same filters. And with just a few clicks, your custom cable assembly comes together perfectly. Fast, simple, and precise. Try the Pasternack Cable Designer today. Pasternack, the engineer's immediate RF source.